The iPhone 14 Pro is one of the best designed smartphones you can buy. For me, I always want to show off that design, but there are two things that always stop me: fingerprints and the worry of dropping over £1,000 worth of product on the floor. If you're like me and you want something that still shows off the design of your new iPhone whilst also offering a bit more protection, this might be the case for you. Before I get into things, I want to say thank you to TAC for sending over this case. I genuinely love the aesthetic of their products, so thanks again for working with me and supporting the channel. For anyone interested, I am giving away this case, and all you need to do is hit the subscribe button and leave a comment on this video to let me know you're interested. I'll be picking a random winner and announcing in a future video. Remember, the chance of winning is much higher on a channel of this size, so make sure you get involved. Anyway, back to the case. The TAC case is one of my top picks for the best cases for the iPhone 14 Pro. It's made from a durable, ultra-light material that can protect your phone from minor drops and bumps. The case also has a slight raised lip around the screen to protect it from scratches, and it offers full coverage around the camera system. I love this because it even prevents fingerprints and lint getting all over the lens setup, which always happens when I use a standard case that doesn't cover the whole camera system in the same way. This specific case also leaves the buttons exposed, making it feel like you are using the phone without a case on at all. TAC also offers a wide variety of designs to choose from, so you can find one that perfectly suits your style if this mesh style is not what you're into. For me, I love the way this mesh design still shows off some of the design of the iPhone, showing the Apple logo slightly through the case. It's extremely thin, so it doesn't really feel like you're adding any bulk to the device, and it just gives me that overall confidence when putting the phone down on any surface. For $29, I do think you're getting a great deal here. So, not a super long video today. There is only so much that you can say about a case, but those are my overall thoughts with this TAC case after using it for the past couple of months. I do think it is one of the best cases for the iPhone 14 Pro, so if you're wanting to preserve the design of the iPhone, this is definitely a case that you need to be looking at. If you're looking for a case that's stylish, protective and affordable, I can highly recommend this case. Remember, if you want to be in with a chance to win this case, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know that you are interested. If you do want to see what else TAC have to offer, or just buy this mesh case now as opposed to entering the giveaway, I will leave a link to their site in the description below. If you're still watching the video up to now, thank you, I appreciate it. Lots more content on the way soon, so subscribe to see more. Good luck with the giveaway if you decide to enter, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.